was beautiful then. I remember the time I knew what happiness was. Let the memory live again. Burned out ends of smoky days, stale cold smell of morning. A street lamp dies, another night is over, another day is dawning. Daylight, I must wait for the sunrise. I must think of the new life, and I mustn't give in. When the dawn comes, tonight will be a memory too, and a new day will begin.